In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unsend an email in Gmail. If you've ever sent an email too quickly and immediately realized there was a mistake, Gmail gives you a short window to take it back. This feature is simple to use, but the timing matters, so it's important to know exactly what to look for and how to make the most of it. Right after you hit send, direct your attention to the bottom left corner of the Gmail window. You should see a black notification bar appear with a message confirming that your email was sent. This small notification is the key to stopping the message before it fully goes through, so don't click away or wait too long. Inside that notification bar, you'll see an undo button. As soon as you notice the message was sent by mistake, click undo. This immediately cancels the send action within the allowed time frame. The faster you react, the better, because once that notification disappears, your chance to unsend the email is gone. After you click undo, the email will reopen as a draft. That means you're back in editing mode and can review everything before deciding what to do next. You can fix a typo, add a missing attachment, change the recipient, rewrite the message, or simply discard it if you decide you don't want to send it at all. This gives you a very useful safety net, especially when you're working quickly or sending important messages. There's one more thing you should set up in advance if you want the best experience with this feature. Gmail's undo send option only works for the amount of time defined in your settings, so it's a good idea to increase that cancellation period. To do this, go to Settings, then General, and find the undo send option. From there, you can choose the cancellation period, and Gmail allows you to set it for up to 30 seconds. That extra time can make a big difference. A longer cancellation period gives you more of a buffer in case you notice a mistake a few seconds after sending. It's a small setting, but it can save you from awkward follow-up emails or prevent the wrong version of a message from being delivered. So the process is straightforward. Send the email, watch for the black message sent notification at the bottom left, click undo, and then edit or discard the reopened draft. And for the best results, make sure your undo send setting is extended to the maximum time you prefer.